Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Carrots is a vegetable staple of Easter for a side dish or a dessert. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a great cookie recipe that would be perfect for your Easter dinner. Carrot cake cookies. And the best part about this recipe, we're going to be using a carrot cake mix. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious. And we're going to frost it with a cinnamon cream cheese frosting that is sure to make your mouth water. Everybody will go crazy over these, and you'll want to make these every year for Easter. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cookie recipes, check out my cookie recipes playlist and my previous video, cheesy broccoli rice casserole. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cake mix, your cream cheese, and your baking pans, sugar, because we're about to bake some carrot cake cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have a half of an 8-ounce block, which is 4 ounces of cream cheese, and a half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter, and they're both at room temperature. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, to our butter and cream cheese, we're going to add in our carrot cake mix. The juice of a medium orange, give it extra flavor. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to mix all these together until they're well blended. Alrighty my friends, I'm through mixing up my cake batter. And this is what it looked like, nice and thick. Perfect. There's one more ingredient we got to add to it. 2/3 of a cup of raisins, or you can use chopped walnuts or chopped pecans or chocolate chips. Whatever your heart desire. And fold these in. Smells good. You can smell the orange and the carrots and the spices in the cake mix. And how simple and easy was that? Easy peasy. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my raisins, I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I'm through folding in my raisins. So now I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap. And we're going to place the dough in the refrigerator. We're going to let it chill for 1 hour. Alright, I'll see you then. Alright my friends, our cookie dough is nice and firm. Perfect. Now we're ready to scoop them into cookies. Using my cookie scoop, gonna take a dollop of the dough. And we're gonna scoop them onto my 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. Alright, as soon as I get through scooping the rest of my cookies, I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 15 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells amazing. Ain't nothing like freshly baked cookies. And this recipe makes 17 cookies. Alright, so now I'm going to let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to remove them from the pan and let them cool completely on the wire rack. And while they're cooling, let's get started on our luscious cinnamon cream cheese frosting. In my large bowl, I have a half of an 8-ounce block, which is 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 4 tablespoons, which is a half a stick of unsalted butter, and they're both at room temperature. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alrighty, to our cream cheese and butter, we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And mix these in until they're well blended. Alrighty, now we're going to add in our evaporated milk. I have 5 tablespoons, but I'm just going to add in a little bit to get it to the right consistency. Alright, I'm going to start with 2, and if I need any more, I'll just add it in. And again, I'm going to mix this in. Alrighty, my friends, last but not least, we're going to add in 3 cups of powdered sugar that I sifted, or you can whisk it. Going to slowly add this in. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our cinnamon cream cheese frosting is complete. And our cookies is nice and cool. We're ready to give them some sugar. So we're going to take our cookie, going to douse some cinnamon cream cheese frosting right on top. Like so. Spread it all over. Now how good does that look? And now we're going to sprinkle some chopped walnuts, or you can use pecans. Give it a little crunch. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through icing my cookies. Doesn't that look good? And look at the chopped walnuts on top. So now I'm about to put them on my platter. We're going to place them into my Easter platter. Isn't that pretty? Shaped like the Easter bunny. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Carrot cake cookies. Isn't that pretty? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Have a bite. Moist, decadent, and they're super chewy. Oh, I can taste the spices and the carrots. And that cinnamon cream cheese frosting is divine. The Easter bunny will love and enjoy these. These are marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Carrot cake cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Easter from the Easter Bunny.